Hello everyone, welcome to RoboticQA. Today we are going to see how we can launch Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge browser using Selenium WebDriver. So in previous video we have created this project and configured Selenium. So today I'll go to SRC test. I'll create a new class here, launch browser, and create main method to run the Java class. I'll write here first I'll create WebDriver instance for Chrome. So I'll write WebDriver driver equal to new ChromeDriver. So this will create a ChromeDriver instance. Then navigate to application. So here I'll write driver.get and provide the application URL here. So I'll pass https google.com. Then if you want, if we can maximize the window also. driver.manage.window.maximize and finally close current window. So I'll write driver.close. And if you want to close all the window associated with driver instance, we can use driver.quit. Okay, so this is there are two, driver.close and driver.quit. Quit will close all the windows which are related to driver instance. Let's say using driver we have open multiple windows, so it will close all. Not like manually open. Let's say manually I open some browser, this it will not close, but it which is associated with this driver, it will close all, and the close will close only the current window. Okay, so that's the difference. I'll just comment it out and let's run this one. So it should launch the Chrome browser. You see it launched the Chrome browser, navigated to Google, and it. So next we will see okay, what are the issues people face. Let's say you don't write here HTTPS, right? Okay, if you type here www.google.com, this will not work. You should add the HTTP protocol. So let's say what happen if you add www. You see it is not navigating to the application. It launched the browser and it is stuck here. It will throw an error. Okay, so if you see here there is an error. Okay, invalid argument provided. Okay, so make sure you provide the correct protocol here. Okay, so next I'll see another browser which is Firefox. Okay, let me keep it as it is. I'll copy it, comment it, and another I'll create for Firefox. Okay, so for Firefox it is Firefox driver, and now click on run. It should launch the Firefox. So this is the Firefox browser. It is launched. It will navigate to Google. It will maximize and close the browser. Okay, so next we will see another browser which is Edge. So let me copy it, paste here, Edge, and create a EdgeDriver instance. Okay, so make sure these browsers are available in your system. So now we see Edge is launched. It will navigate to Google and it will close. Okay, so we have done with Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Let me do it for Safari also. So I have Safari as well. So I'll just go here and create a Safari driver instance. Now click on run. and you see Safari is launched and it closed very quickly. Okay, so next is IE. I don't have IE browser, but I'll write the code. So for IE it is Internet Explorer driver, and that's how it will work. Okay, so you have to use this one. So we have seen how to launch Chrome browser, Firefox, Edge, Safari, Internet Explorer. And if we observe here, like we are not setting the driver. Okay, so for earlier, like for ChromeDriver, we need a ChromeDriver exe, that path we have to set. For Firefox it is GeckoDriver we have to set. For EdgeDriver. For Safari driver, IE driver. Okay, but I'm using the latest version of Selenium, which is 4.33. okay, so in latest version of Selenium, all these is handled internally. Like when we invoke this new ChromeDriver, so Selenium internally use the Selenium manager component which is newly introduced, and it connect to the internet, it download it and set also. Okay, so you don't need to worry about setting up the driver and all these things. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand like how it work. Let me give one more example. So what happened, let's say this is the driver. Okay, we are just doing experiment with this code, and we are not navigating anywhere, and we are doing maximize and close. So let's see what happened. So we just create a driver instance, and you see it close very quickly. So there is no error. The reason is driver.close. So driver found one window. As soon as we create this one, it create the instance also. It open the browser. Okay, and then it navigate. Okay, and that's why there is no error. And let's say you are navigating to website, and you are not closing the browser. Okay, so simply like it will run the launch the browser Chrome, it will navigate, maximize also, because we have written the code to maximize the browser, but it will not close it. Okay, because we have not written any code to close it, but our script is completed. Okay, script is completed, but browser is not closed because we have commented this driver.close. Okay, so we have seen all the browsers how to execute it, and before that make sure you have the setup is done. So if you have not done setup, or if you don't know how to do the setup, Selenium setup in IntelliJ, you can watch my previous video. Okay, yeah, thank you.